Hi guys, in front of me is LG Optimus G, and let me show you how to go through the setup process of this device. So once you receive your new LG, all you have to do is to tap on power button to turn it on, and once it is active, the first thing to set is language. So just mark the language, pick the one that you want to apply, and tap on next. Here you can connect your device to Wi-Fi, so let me just choose the one that is around. Now I provide the password. Let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, tap on connect. Click on next then, and here you can add your Google account if you want to, but I will skip it for now. Here just go through Google and location details, tap on next then, and now you can also set up email for most accounts in just a few steps, but I will skip it for now also. And as you can see, your phone is set up, so you can do all the further steps like wallpaper, date, time, and so on through the settings over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.